These French breakfast puffs are so good. I have changed them out for beignets and any other breakfast muffin because they are just so decadent and so soft and so yummy. So anyhow, we're going to start with our dry ingredients. Once again, welcome to One Hot Bite. This is Melissa. We are going to have a little nutmeg, baking powder, salt, and flour. Again, all of the ingredients are going to be listed down below so you can have the exact measurements and everything that you need. As soon as you get the dry ingredients mixed together, we are going to mix together sugar and shortening. So these are absolutely delicious. You want to just get this so that it's super creamy. We're going to add 1 egg and we're going to beat it one more time until it gets very nice and very creamy. You can see how it whips together. So great. As soon as we get that mixed in, so this is going to be considered our wet ingredients in a sense. So now we're going to mix those ingredients together. We do have one more thing that we're going to add to this. We're going to do half of our flour mixture, and then I do have a half a cup of milk that we are going to add to this as well. We're going to kind of go back and forth in that flour and milk mixture until it is fully combined. Make sure you scrape down the sides here so that you get it all moistened and there's no flour left. Our oven is preheating at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and as soon as that's up to temperature, we're going to take a muffin pan. We're going to lightly coat those with cooking spray, or you can use the liners. We're going to divvy this out, and you can see the consistency of this dough. It's not runny like a muffin. It's kind of firm. It's still soft. And we're going to go ahead and bake those for about 20 to 22 minutes until they're lightly golden brown. I have some margarine here I'm going to make nice and melted. And we're going to make a cinnamon sugar mixture as well so that we can dip these when they come out. And here they come. They smell delicious. They look beautiful. Now, while they are still warm, you have to be brave, and we're going to go ahead and dip these. So pop them out. They come out super easy. We're going to dip it in the margarine first, just to coat the tops, and then we're going to roll that in the cinnamon and sugar mixture. Set those aside. These are best eaten warm, but you can definitely store them in an airtight container and consume them later. Your family will love them. They're not going to last long, I promise. I want to thank you again so much for being here. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe down below. Smash that like button. I'm going to show you how beautiful these are. Oh, they're so yummy. And I could not stop eating this one. It was so good. Have a great day.